Hello. Today we are going to touch on e-portfolios and the importance they can have on learning. One that I've had experience with using is ClassDojo. Some advantages of using ClassDojo are it possesses a portfolio feature that allows me to share student-specific materials. You are able to share lessons and assignments with parents. The app holds the students accountable for their work. You may archive your class at the end of the year. Parents have access to the portfolios and can comment on the students' work. You are able to add co-teachers and other staff who work with your students, and students are able to submit photos, videos, journal entries, and complete assignments through Dojo. Some disadvantages would be students may need help logging in and navigating through the app. Parents must possess a device or a phone to be able to install the app on. Students can use their finger to complete assignments instead of the traditional paper and pencil method, and if a student moves, all work up to that point is lost. Some potential and creative uses for ClassDojo is enabling a student's work to be shared with other teachers and staff members. At the end of the year, there is an option to archive your class so the portfolio follows the student through the years. ClassDojo also offers tips for students on storytelling and gives them the opportunity to participate in mindfulness activities. Class story cards are a valuable resource teachers can use to provide their students with an array of different activities. After interviewing some staff members, here's what they had to say about ClassDojo. ClassDojo was a great resource to use during virtual teaching. It really helped me keep track of my students' work and allowed me to see where they were excelling or having difficulty. I could then give them extra practice in the areas where they needed improvement. ClassDojo provides you with direct messaging to parents, which keeps an open line of communication with the families. Parents have access to the portfolios and can view their child's work. The portfolio allows you to track students' work throughout the year. There isn't anything that I don't like about ClassDojo. My favorite part is being able to post news about upcoming events to my class story. Parents can't use the excuse they weren't informed because everything is right there. I can also use it as a form of positive reinforcement when I run into behavior issues with my students. Giving out dojo points is a big deal in our room. And for the informal reflection, I have been using ClassDojo since I started teaching 5 years ago. It was a requirement for all classrooms to have the app and to get families to use it as well. Now I couldn't imagine myself without it. With more and more schools going paperless or migrating to the cloud, student work has become more easily shareable, accessible by many, and more easily organized. Many teachers have turned to digital portfolios or e-portfolios for their students. Teaching kindergarten, it's crucial to monitor their progress and keep important artifacts organized and in a safe place. Using the e-portfolio feature of ClassDojo provides that level of security for my students' work. Aside from being a central hub for student work, ClassDojo provides classroom management tools and communication with families that can be translated in over 35 different languages.